In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $100,000 with XRP in 2025. Was it luck? Let's find out. XRP has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies of 2025. With its price skyrocketing over 200% in just a few months, many investors are wondering what the future holds for this digital asset. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of XRP and explore the factors that have contributed to its recent success. But before we dive in, make sure to stay updated with all our latest content. Now let's get back to XRP. So XRP has seen a lot of volatility over the past year. After hitting an all-time low of $25 in December 2024, the coin rebounded strongly and reached a new all-time high of $80 in April 2025. This surge in price has left many investors scratching their heads, wondering what the secret behind XRP's success is. As someone who has invested in XRP since early 2024, I can tell you firsthand that it has been quite a roller coaster ride. There were times when I doubted my investment and questioned whether I had made the right decision. However, despite the ups and downs, my belief in XRP's long-term potential has only grown stronger. One of the reasons for XRP's success is the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies worldwide. As more countries and businesses accept crypto as a form of payment, the demand for XRP as a bridge currency is also increasing. Additionally, XRP's unique consensus mechanism known as the unique node list has made it faster and more efficient than many of its competitors. This has made it an attractive option for those looking to make fast international payments. As an investor, I was particularly drawn to XRP's strong community of supporters. Since I first got involved with crypto in 2021, I have witnessed firsthand the passion and enthusiasm of the XRP army. This community has played a significant role in promoting and advocating for XRP, helping to raise awareness of the coin and attract new investors. Throughout my journey with XRP, I have learned that investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, but with thorough research and a long-term perspective, it can also be highly rewarding. It's important to do your own research and not solely rely on the advice of others. I have personally found that taking this approach has paid off. The real magic happened when I started implementing some of the strategies that I learned from my mentor, Mike, who has been a crypto investor since 2013. He taught me the importance of dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing in an asset over time rather than trying to time the market. This strategy has helped me to stay disciplined and keep buying XRP regularly, regardless of the price fluctuations. Another strategy that Mike shared with me is the concept of buying the rumor and selling the news. This means that I buy XRP in anticipation of positive news or events and then sell it once the news is out to lock in my profits. For example, I bought heavily before the Ripple Labs vs. SEC case was settled and sold some of my holdings to take profits when the news broke. But the big question on everyone's mind is, did I make $100,000 with XRP in 2025? And if so, was it luck? The answer may surprise you. It was not until May 2025 that my XRP investment hit the $100,000 mark. To be honest, I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw the six-figure sum in my account. It felt surreal. All the hard work, research, and patience had finally paid off. So was it luck that helped me achieve this success? Well, there is an element of luck involved in any investment. But I believe that my success was more a result of skill and strategy. Through continuous learning, implementing proven strategies, and staying focused on my long-term goals, I was able to turn my initial investment of $10,000 into $100,000 in just a few months. If you are also interested in investing in XRP or other cryptocurrencies, I encourage you to do your research, stay informed about market trends, and most importantly, have patience. Don't expect to get rich quick, but rather focus on making smart, well-informed decisions. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Now I want to hear from you. Share your own investment journey and experiences in the comments below. And for more tips on cryptocurrency investing, check out our other videos. We wish you the best of luck on your investment journey. Until next time, happy investing.